You're welcome again back to my channel, and we are going to continue from where that we stopped. We've done a number of whiz labs, and this one is not going to be different from anything that we've done. It's just different all the way, all the way, all the way. And today we'll work on how we can aggregate our query, right? Now, I would have preferred to explain what aggregation itself means, but I like for us to see what it is by ourselves. Okay, so right now I'm going to be working on a query that already has about 10,000 results with just low input, like virtual machines that have vulnerabilities, and we have like 10,000 plus results. And then the next thing that we are going to be doing, okay. All right, so we're going to click the column visible entity. Oh, button, yeah. I'm going to see aggregate this entity. So we can see that something is a bit different. Even this is not even our graph, but something looks different here. There is more like a chart, right? So basically, let's try to explain so that we can know that this is what we're doing. All right. So what aggregation does is that instead of seeing like 100 separate alerts for the same issues across many virtual machines, aggregation groups them into one issue affecting like 100 virtual machines. Do you understand? Aggregate. So that's what aggregation just does, basically. It just make sure that as far as it's similar, like different virtual machines are expressing that same issue, it will just group all those virtual machines into one. So that is what it does. Okay. So to now show what we just did, we are going to be clicking this, right? This is our aggregated buttons, and we can now click on show these entities, and now it has shown. All of them has shown. All right, and that is just everything about how to aggregate. If you've seen more than one of my video and you're not subscribed yet, why? Like, why? Why? Please subscribe to my channel, please. It really does help me. It motivates me. It makes me know that, oh, there's somebody out there that just wants to hear me speak and learn and just wants to me to just keep showing up. It takes a lot to make these videos, a whole lot to make these videos. And subscription is free. You don't have to pay a dime. But the fact that I see a notification that you subscribe makes me feel like, okay, I'm going to create more because more people want to see me make more videos. In the comment section, I want to hear your thought also. And like this video because it helps the algorithm and it also helps me because I'll keep smiling. Don't you want me to keep smiling? Big announcement still coming up, and I'll be dropping the bombshell very, very, very soon. Very soon. I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, but you guys, you'll be so happy with this big announcement. And see you next time in my next video.